MPC Live III introduces a powerful new 16-button step sequencer, which provides a tactile step-based workflow with powerful parameter lock modifiers, which is perfect for electronic music production and live performance. The step sequencer allows you to effortlessly create everything from drum and bass line patterns to harmonic chords using samples, plug-in instruments to external MIDI and CV, fully standalone. Let's lay down our kick. To move between bars and steps, we can set the sequencer to follow, we can lock it to the bar, or use previous and next. To silently select your sound, hold down the set button. Now we've done our snare, let's lay down our hi-hat. Now to change the velocity of each hat, we can simply hold down the step and use our touch strip. As you can see, this will change to amber, humanizing our hi-hats. Now if we go into step edit, here we can add, remove notes per step, and we can add velocity, and we can also add ratchet and probability to each of our steps. If we simply select the step note, we can then just enter the value. And we also have a nudge notes. If we hit modifiers, here we can parameter lock even further. We can change envelope settings, filters, through to individual tuning per step. So let's program a bass line directly in our step sequencer. Now that we've added our bass pattern, let's go into step edit, and we're going to parameter lock our tuning, giving our bass line more melody. I simply select the step, and then we can change our tuning. Now that we've done our bass line, let's add some open hats and some one-shot chords. Now let's go to our MIDI track, where we trigger in the Mother 32 via our step sequencer. We can also adjust the individual length of a step, which is very straightforward. Let's start by selecting a sound, then hold down where you want your step to start and where you want it to end, which will be highlighted in purple. We can also add chords using the step sequencer to our pattern. So let's go to a new instrument, and now let's select note sequence. Here I can press my step where I want my chord and use the pads to enter my chord. We can also use the dedicated note length function that allows us to go into each step and add note length, and we can even add automation per step. So let's finish off our pattern, adding some effects and vocal. Using the new step sequencer,